Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create your very own QR code on your iPhone. A QR code is a type of a barcode that can be read easily by a digital device and which stores information as a series of pixels in a square-shaped grid. Here in this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code without any apps. On your iPhone, open up the Safari app. Now in the URL, type qr.io. You'll come to this page. Here you can create a QR code for many different purposes. It can be a link, email, text, call, SMS, vCard, WhatsApp number, Wi-Fi, PayPal, Bitcoin, and many other options. Do note some option requires you to create an account on this website. In this example, I'll show you how to create a QR code for your social links. On this page, tap on Links. Now down below where it says Submit URL, type in your URL. This will be a web address to your website, Instagram page, YouTube page, or your TikTok account. Next, you can customize the QR code with different colors by tapping on Options. You can change the background color, dot color, the gradient, and the scent color. Now scroll down and tap on Logo. Here you can upload your own logo or use an existing logo from the preset. In this example, I'll just choose the link logo. Below that, you can also add a frame. These are all optional features you can add to your QR code, but is not necessary. Now, once you're done customizing the QR code, scroll down and tap on Generate QR Code. A code will be generated and shown to you. Now, to download this QR code, you will need to create an account. A workaround to this is by taking a screenshot of the screen, and you will have the QR code in your photo library. And that is how to create your very own QR code on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.